Hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to see how to download your certificate from AI Sprite. So the URL you are going to receive in a mail notification. So click on this particular URL or copy paste the URL in the browser. Then select enter. So this is the first page for registration of your account into the AI Sprite will be displayed here. You need to provide your username and password. Okay, so here I would be providing my username and password where I'm going to get a mail notification in this particular mail ID. Okay, so I'm registering into this particular AI account, right? You can provide your Gmail account or Yahoo account or any mail ID, then provide your password, provide your custom password that you want to use it for your AI. That same password would be your login password into your AI account. So enter your email ID twice, right? And provide your first name. Okay, first name and the surname. In the same format, you'll be getting the certificate. Okay, how you are entering the certificate, how you are entering the name in the same format, you are going to display the name in the certificate. So select the country. Here my country is India and create my account. Once you create your account, right, you will move on to the next page and select continue. So you will be getting a mail notification into your mail ID, right? And this is my mail notification, the confirmation mail, right? So click on this particular mail. So in order to confirm that you have created your account in AI Sprite, you need to click on this particular URL, right? And this is the confirmation, right? So you'll be getting a notification like this on your name and continue to your AI Sprite account. So this is the warning, right? So now once you have entered into the account, this is the page you are going to see, and you will be finding that workshop on data science using Python. This is the course name you need to select. Okay, click on the course name in order to download your certificate. So when you click on this particular course name, you can find the modules, the study material and the presentations that were shown in the training. The same presentations are given for your access, and we also have study material and the Python code and the data sets that were used as part of your training. You can download this Python code and the data sets and you can practice them, right? The access will be there. So now for downloading your certificate, please provide your reviews and feedback. So when you click on this particular reviews and feedback, okay, so here provide your Google reviews, right? The page will be opening like this. So I'll be providing my reviews, right? So assuming I'm providing my reviews, okay. For data science, so I have provided my review: professional, good communication, good quality, good value, and post it. So once you have posted your review, you can see your review here, right? Your reviews are posted. Then go back to AI Sprite and click on this particular Facebook account, right? And provide your reviews. click on this particular reviews. So you can provide right, and post your reviews. Okay, enter your reviews like this, and then select these options. How was the program content, discussion and hands-on, trainer subject knowledge, and submit your answers. You have successfully submitted your feedback, then your certificate would be unlocked. So then you can click on certificate. So I'll be writing the reviews again. Provide your reviews here and close it, and select your Google reviews. And get your certificate. Okay. Once you have done that, you can download your certificate. Do you want a hard copy? No hard copies are provided for this certificate. And click on no and download your certificate. Okay, your certificate will be downloaded into your default folder option. So you can download your certificate and open the certificate. So I have successfully downloaded my certificate. This is my certificate, how it looks like. Then you can post this certificate on your LinkedIn profile. So how to post your LinkedIn profile? Open your LinkedIn account. Right. Now start your post. Select this particular image or a document that you want to post. Right. So downloads. I'll be waiting for my certificate. Choose a file. Go to downloads. And select the certificate. So this is my certificate. Open it and then write your comments. I have successfully completed my certification. The program name here. Workshop on data science using Python. Successfully completed workshop on data science using Python. So, or you can write my certification. My certificate. Okay. For workshop on data science using Python and done. Okay. So once you select done, your certificate will be posted and it will be displayed on your LinkedIn. Okay. so that you will get more visibility for your profile and the course you have done. So apart from that, you can go through our YouTube channel by clicking on this particular recommended videos, where the programs that we are connecting, the regular programs, the free programs, the webinars, right, and the complementary courses, everything would be updated, and we would be also uploading the recent stuff and the knowledge sharing on this particular YouTube channel. So do please follow our YouTube channel, right? And you can also post your comments. So thank you, friends. This is how you are going to download your certificate, right? By first you need to provide your reviews and feedback, then your certificate would be unlocked, right? And you need to download this particular certificate using the download button. So your certificate will be downloaded, right, on successfully providing the reviews and feedback. Thank you, friends. Hope you will be downloading your certificate in the right manner, and the steps, follow the steps that are recommended. Thank you very much.